Hello and welcome. Thank you for installing Zoobi FAQs. Today I am gonna show you how to integrate this HelpBot with your Shopify store. So first of all, you need to enable this application from here. By default, this application comes off with predefined, pre-built Express setting. You can continue with that setting or you can change it as per your store settings. You can choose the language as per your store language, and if you're unable to understand what is written in this page, you can translate this page from all of these languages. Okay, once you enable this application, you will see a beautiful help button at the right bottom of your store. So how to customize this button and its options, so let's have a look at this. The first tab is appearance. You can change the look and feel of the button. You can show the button at the left or right. You can change the text and you can change the background color of the widget button. You can see the help is written here, background color is black and the position is right. Okay, the second thing is these four tabs. Let me show you what is this. Once you click on this button, you will see these four tabs here as well. So let's start with this. Click on it. You can add your WhatsApp number, your Instagram page, your Facebook page, and a lot of other options. Once you select an option from here, it will give you the instruction in the placeholder here. You can put your channel ID or a complete URL. Similarly, if you select the messenger, you need to put your Facebook page or messenger ID here or the page URL. So every action has its own way of setting, and that setting has mentioned in the placeholder of this field. So I just integrated these three options. I enabled my WhatsApp number, my Instagram ID, and Facebook page, and click save. Now go to storefront and click on the chat tab. You will see these options is working here. If I click on it, it will redirect me to the Instagram account. If I click on this Facebook page, it will take me to the Facebook page as well. Okay, so this way you can add all the available options here. You can enable or disable this tab from here. Okay, the next tab is FAQ template. By default, application comes up with 5 different FAQs, question answers, written in this field. You can change these fields or you can delete the questions. You can update the questions. You can enable the tab. You can disable all these tabs from the storefront, and also you can change the questions here. This is the tab with 5 different questions. This is the question, and when you click on it, it will show the answer. So all the question answers is written here. You can add new questions with their answers or you can delete them from here. And you will see FAQ page here. If it is enabled, you will see a dedicated page here with the question answers. You have an authority to enable or disable all of these tabs and pages as well. The next tab is contact us form. This is the email where you can collect all the submitted form by visitors. It has the tab and page as well. So what is tab? This is the contact form. This has name, email, phone number, question, and a captcha here. Once a customer or visitor will submit this form, all the information will be submitted to this email. And these are some options. Either you want to take the field optional or required. It's up to you. You can change as per your choice. And contact us form also exists on the contact us page. Here is the dedicated page. So this page come up with this URL, and you have an option to enable or disable this page here. Okay, the next thing is track order. Track order has a widget tab as well as a tracking order page. This is the tab to track the order. You will put your order number here, put your email ID here, and try to find the order. If it has an order exist in your store, it will redirect to the order status page or order thank you page. It also has tracking order, also has a dedicated page. You can send directly this link to the customer to track the order, or you can link this track order into a menu of your Shopify store. So you have the option to enable and disable all of these settings. If still you have an option or question, you can reach the support anytime. We will try to give you the answer as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.